In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a domain in Bluehost hosting. Firstly, log into your Bluehost account and click on the Settings button. Now, click on the Domain Name and Site URL section. Also, tap on Change Link. This allows you to update the domain name associated with your hosting plan. In the field provided, enter the domain name you want to connect to your Bluehost hosting. Once entered, click Save or follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize the change. If your domain is registered with another provider, make sure the DNS records are updated to the point to Bluehost's servers. You can set your name servers to ns1.bluehost.com or ns2.bluehost.com. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.